Welcome. In this video I will show you how to toggle the web camera on your Microsoft Surface Pro 12. So first of all we have to open the start menu, then go to settings. After that we're gonna need to open Bluetooth and devices, then here select cameras, and of course we have two different cameras on this tablet, so select which one you want to toggle. For example, the front camera. Let's go right here. Now to disable it, simply tap disable in this spot and then tap yes, and then you can re-enable it by tapping enable next to it. And the other way to toggle your camera is by restricting the access to it. To do that, you're gonna need to go to privacy and security on the sidebar, scroll down to cameras. Here we have it, and here we can restrict the camera access for the applications on our tablet. We can also restrict or allow the usage for selected apps. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.